Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Afterpay on Cash App. First thing first, if you're doing online shopping, at checkout and participate in online store, select Cash App Afterpay as your payment method. The first time you use it, you'll need to enter your payment details to create your Cash App Afterpay account. For future purchases, just log in with your Cash App Afterpay details. For recent Cash App card purchases, open Cash App, then tap the Activity tab. Find any eligible purchase. These are made with your Cash App card within the last 7 days, over $25 or show and pay over time available. Just select the eligible purchase and follow the on-screen prompts to split the payment into Afterpay installments. And that's it. You can now manage purchases more easily by paying them off over time through Afterpay on Cash App. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more.